Well, here we are. Oh, blocking the camera. I'm here doing some work, trying to get the old Patriot ready to go out and do some work here, hopefully this week, and get back on the road, do a little traveling, and having some fun, making arrangements, talking to a few friends. Want to say a shout out to my boy Don Will at No Prep Travelers, and we get ready to have some fun, bro. Yeah, you'll see. And there's the old killer right there. And was hoping to get to Virginia Beach today. I mean, not to Virginia Beach, but I just finished talking to Don. He's actually at Ocean City, so I'm thinking beach. But I'm actually got a few things going on. I was hoping to get down to Virginia Motorsports so I could see John Dock and the LS Nasty crew. And because got a little surprise for you there, John. See right here? Hey. Oh, wait a minute. I'll do it up here. There we go. Like that sound, John? And the business end for a lot of people is going to be that right there. So we're making a bunch of changes here in the program. And 2021 is going to be a big change. And let me find it there. Got that back right there. That's the baby. That's the business right there. The business for that in there. So 2021, get ready to go out, have some fun, make some noise, and start doing some things a little differently, especially when it comes to what we're doing socially. So stay tuned and see you there.